A digital product is a digital good that is created, sold, and purchased online. In most cases, it is even consumed online. Well, except for things like printables. Unlike physical products you buy online, which need to be packed and shipped, digital products are delivered through the internet, usually instantly after your purchase. This makes them easy to distribute. Digital products can be easily updated or modified to keep up with changing technology and trends because they are intangible. Also, digital products often come with a license that allows a customer to use them in unlimited ways. The internet created a new way of doing business and made it possible for a wave of new types of products, plus the digitization of the products. You used to go to the bookstore to buy the newest book. Now you may just get it on your e-reader or phone. Buy a paper project planner or calendar. Now you probably use digital project management software or Google Calendar. There are various benefits of digital products. Digital products are a fantastic monetization option for creative entrepreneurs. One benefit of digital products is they are cost effective. Digital products have no inventory or overhead costs. Another benefit is they have higher profit margin. Digital products have no recurring fees, so you can keep more profits from your sales. Another benefit is they have versatility. You can easily incorporate digital products into your business and marketing strategy at any touch point of your funnel. Sell them as your primary source of income, give them away as freebies to increase your brand awareness, use them as lead magnets to build your audience, and so on. Another benefit is their scalability. Digital products are often endlessly scalable. When you sell a new digital course or ebook, you don't need to create them again. You simply give the user access to that digital product through some sort of paywall. That's a huge advantage for a brand. You don't need to think about things like manufacturing or shipping. You can just keep selling. They have a recurring revenue. Some digital products or services are sold on a membership or subscription model. This can create a recurring revenue business, collecting monthly fees. Most companies work on this model like Canva, as well as subscription content, for example, Netflix. Another benefit is their simplicity. Physical products require manufacturing, quality control, shipping, returns, and more. Digital products don't include this, meaning that a digital business can be a better path to more profits. Another benefit of digital products is the automation. If you're on the elusive quest for passive income, digital products can be automated, making your life easier. They are easy to create. Every year, the software solutions to create digital products get more and more accessible, making it easier and easier to create them. Better platforms, more features, easier payments, bigger online marketplaces with more saturation, the access to digital products is constantly improving. I would also like to give you a few points on how to sell digital products. The first thing you need to do is find or create a digital product. Find a digital product to sell, whether you resell existing products or create your own. Digital products include music, fonts, Photoshop presets, courses, or online services. The second thing that you need to do is build an online store. Get up and running in a few hours. Pick from a catalog of website templates, populate with your logo, add images, and you're ready to get selling. The third thing that you need to do is use an app to make selling easy. Some apps make delivery of digital products even easier. Find apps that plug into your store and do everything from hosting course content to delivering PDF purchases. The fourth thing that you need to do is market your digital products. Find your customers where they are. If you're selling fonts or design templates, build an audience of designers and creators on the social platforms they use most. Consider influencer marketing, social ads, or lead magnets. When you intentionally create communities, get a brand story that's contagious and feed that community with content. When you launch a digital product in this environment, it makes selling effortless. It is the best way to sell a digital product. The secret is creating space for fans, customers, followers, or whomever to convert into members. When people belong to something, you've got the recipe for the member-led growth that will push your brand forward. You can have a full-time job by selling digital products, and there's a lot to learn about digital products, including the best-selling digital products, which I'll be talking about in a few videos. If you'd like to see this, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.